everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today Natsumi and I are at Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport and we are getting ready to head to Tokyo. We are actually going to be traveling on Japan Airlines' newest aircraft, which is the A350-1000. The reason why we're here in the flagship lounge is because we got upgraded to business class. Super excited about that. So we're going to go ahead and have our breakfast here, and then we're going to go ahead and head to the gate and get on the aircraft. So let's get to it. Guys, this is incredible. The last time that we flew on business class was 2 trips ago, and it was nothing like this. So I'm very impressed, and I'm looking forward to this journey. So see you in a bit. The one thing that I'm really impressed with is that these are speakers right here. So you don't necessarily have to wear the noise canceling headphones unless you really want to, but this is a really nice touch right here. As you can see the holes. So very cool.
Welcome on board and thank you for flying with Japan Airlines.
I think this is a cell phone holder. And then charging cable. Very cool. You can always use one of those. And then earplugs. Well, it's pretty much standard stuff that you get. service, I opted for the USDA prime beef tenderloin, while Natsumi went with the Japanese meal. We made it. Let's get off of this plane. Bye-bye business class. It was lovely. All right, Natsumi, we made it. What'd you think of the A350-1000 business class?
Quieter than Boeing aircrafts, I would say.
Yeah, it was really nice. No, I don't really feel too tired, even though I didn't sleep that much. But we'll see how I feel in a couple hours. But we're on our way to immigration, baggage claim, and customs. So see you in a bit. All right, everyone. So we finally got through immigration, baggage claim, and customs. It took me about an hour to get through all that. Natsumi was in and out, and she already had the bags by the time I got through. Ridiculous. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what business class on Japan Airlines' new A350-1000 was like. If you're able to do it, check it out. It's an amazing experience. I'm really glad that we did it. So I'll go ahead and end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like and a comment, and we'll see you guys in the next video.